everyone, my name is Chelsea and I work for PEAS. PEAS stands for Partners for Education, Agriculture, and Sustainability. As you know, Mother's Day is coming up, so I thought our lesson this week should be something that we could also give as a gift. So this week we are going to be creating nature mandalas. Mandalas come from two religions called Hinduism and Buddhism. The word mandala comes from an ancient language called Sanskrit and means circle. Both those religions use mandalas in the performance of sacred rites and as meditation. The mandala is used as a representation of the universe and our connection to it. So even though we may not be Buddhist or Hindu, we can still practice the art of creating mandalas because at the root of this ancient art is connection. So allow this practice of creating nature mandalas to connect you both to the natural world and to the women that you love and appreciate this Mother's Day. Let's begin. Alright, now you have a piece of art that you can give someone on Mother's Day. Don't forget to answer our inquiry questions at the end of this video to be entered into a raffle to win some summer fun prizes. Till next time, everybody, have a happy Mother's Day.